Boat number 5. Boat 9. Number 41. Boat number 42.
$42.
You got 2, 3 fish? 4 fish?
4?
4 fish, yeah. Double weight. 804.
Hey. 38.
That's what we figured.
Yeah. All the red lights.
Sam and Glenn Paul, Berlin contract.
Thank you, guys.
Hey, you said hold that. We've been trying to hold it. There you go.
Roy and Bud John.
Well, we hope everybody had a good, safe trip today and a good tournament and caught all the fish you wanted to catch. And we also like to thank Komatsu and Atlas Copco for helping us out with this, sponsoring their tournament every year. And we're going to go ahead and start giving the prize money and stuff out right now. And first place is Dustin Evans from Tackett Creek Mining and John Smith from Tackett Creek Mining.